Hey guys, what's up? This video is about Out of Africa Wildlife Safari, which is in Camp Verde, Arizona. It's just 1.5 hour drive from Phoenix. Try to reach the park early in the morning around 9:30 a.m. First thing, get the ticket, obviously, and take the first ride for the herbivorous animals. There you can feed grass to giraffe and camel. Continue with the same safari in the same bus and you can watch various herbivorous animals just grazing around the grass freely without any fear. Then, once you are out of the bus, you can take a walk and see other carnivorous animals. There are quite a lot of them: tigers, lions, roaring lion. Yes, you'll really enjoy this. The ticket is around $40 for adults and $25 for kids. And if it's your birthday month, you go free, free, free. Make sure to pack snacks and water. I could not find any eateries nearby. The parking area is quite big and it's just as adjacent to the park. So once you are feeling hungry, you can just walk out of the park, grab a quick bite, and again return to the park. There are other attractions also like cable car and jeep ride. If you are feeling more adventurous and want to spend some more money, you can opt for those also. Those are also real fun. All, but the default ticket get you the bus ride and other show tickets. The python and the other animal shows are quite fantastic. You can actually touch the python there. And the most amazing show is the tiger show. Don't miss it for anything. Plan your travel, plan your park site visit accordingly, and try to reach on time for these shows. Those are the real fun. Hope you like this video. Do subscribe and like if you want to continue viewing such interesting videos. Thank you.